crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is number 6 in my series of 25 Days of Christmas. And well, I'm going to show you the kit that I made this out of, and then I'll show you the card that I made with this. So this is a We Are Memory Keepers Gnome for the Holidays. Let me get it right. Yeah, Holiday Gnome Paper Crafting Kit. And I got this on HSN at their last craft day, and I have more, so I didn't want to spill the beans on everything that I had gotten because I'm going to do projects, so you'll be able to see them throughout. But I thought this was such a cute little set. Now, if you don't know about gnomes this season or last, you've been living under a rock, because gnomes are everywhere. The little critters are everywhere. But this is such a cute set, and I had to show it to you. So it was only on clearance, $14.95. So I will put the connection and the number on HSN down below. You can go and see if you can pick one of those up. Double-sided paper. Now, this isn't real thick craft paper, but it's a nice thickness. Double-sided, and I will show you the pieces as we go through. And cute little gnomes everywhere. Now, this paper came with so many embellishments. I can't wait to show you everything. This isn't it. The kit just goes on and on and on. Some ornaments, polka dots. Now, I did a gnome theme for some cards last year as well, but it was Little Darlings, I believe, kit that I used. And it was so cute. But I wasn't going to go with gnomes again, but, you know, you do what you got to do. Now, this paper is one-sided, but it has gold trimming on it. And this sheet is vellum. Really cute. Oh, that's the best side. Vellum with gold. And there's a gnome Santa. So cute. Speaking of Santas, my husband's Santa this year, as he is usually every year. And I'll try to get a picture of him in here someplace. And he looks just like that guy. That's my hubby. That's him right there. So he just loves it. He spends 3 weekends, 4 days each week, just loving on the kids. I mean, they just think he's everything. And it's just a really beautiful venue that they have. Lots going on, music and all sorts of lights and event things going on. So the kids just love it, and he enjoys it so much. So that's my hubby. He's Mr. Santa all year long. And when you see the picture, you'll know why. This kit also came with stickers, a sheet of them. Cute. And alphabet in gold, and they're puffed up. And then we have some puffy stickers, smaller ones. Very, very adorable. And then these chipboard pieces, which a lot of them are very large, so you can use them. This is so cute. I'm going to be using this for one of my scrapbook pages. And Merry Christmas, some poinsettias, trees, gnomes, more gnomes, and gnomes everywhere. So there you go. That's the set. Oh, and also comes with quite a few. I'll show you here. Just solid paper. So paper galore. Oh my goodness, this kit just kept on giving. So what I did is an acrylic card. If you've ever done an acrylic card, if you've never done an acrylic card, just beware that wherever you put your adhesive, and I recommend double-sided tape for this, you need to disguise it somehow. So I just put a strip of double-sided tape here. This was a sticker already. And then to hide the sticky, I put a banner at the back of there. And then this is the inside, and I'll cut out a white piece. And I'll put the white piece behind here so you won't see it until you open it up. So you have to disguise, you have to use a little ingenuity there. I did cover the front and the back of the acetate just to give it a little bit more strength and to cover up the acetate in the back and the sticky on this one. So it just keeps on going. It's a card that keeps on giving, but it came out just adorable. And there's my number 6. Number 6. I hope you're getting your projects done, and we will see you tomorrow. Craft on.